All right, everyone, we are at my favorite spot, NCAuto. We've got Nick back there, we've got John. They did our tint on our NSX, and they've been doing so many cars front windshield tint, and let me tell you, it not only looks awesome, but I've sat inside a few cars and I am sold. So we are doing the windshield tint in the front of the NSX, which is really, really cool because if you look at the slope of the car, the sun just kind of goes in there, penetrates, okay, that's not a good word. The sun goes in there and just kind of invades the space, everything gets hot, and it's just not any fun. So with that windshield tint, the temps will be down, we can have some privacy, and I don't know why we would need that privacy, but we need it, and it's just gonna be really, it's gonna make the car look cool, especially on the NSX, the top of the cockpit. All right, guys, and we're gonna go ahead and throw on these 20-inch wheels, stock suspension, and they're so wide that we're gonna have so much clearance, two-piece wheels, but you know what? That's not it. We got our new NSX driver over here. We've got Buffalo. He's over there just checking out the NSX because he knows what's up. He's full JDM. Oh, he's not interested anymore, but he knows he does. Buffalo is researching our camera bag. He's meowing. He went for the pet. He went for the pet. Alright guys, so inside the car while we're indoors, it looks really cool already. It looks like you have like a pair of polarized sunglasses without having them on. Now the tint needs to dry, there's going to be a little bit of bubbles and it just needs to sit outside or just cure over a few days. But we're going to show you how it looks outside and I can tell you already that I really like it. Alright, so we're taking you guys out for a drive with the windshield tint. And it is a fully bright day outside. It is the afternoon, and right now it would be really bright inside the car, but it's not. Like, it is way less sunny inside the car. And we're aiming at the sun, but here we're about to turn away from the sun. And as you can tell, it just feels nice. It just feels like you're in your own bubble, and it just kind of feels a little more comfortable, like, because we've got windshield tint on the doors and on the back, and it really just is easier on the eyes. Again, it's like having sunglasses without having sunglasses. And not only that, it's going to protect our interior because this is the Expel ceramic tint, which is UV protectant, reduces heat, and it just feels really nice. It just feels really comfortable. If at least could pan out, you could actually see in the interior, it's a lot darker in here, and it just feels, you know, it just feels really good. And I think this is a definitely big win and a must here in 2023. It's just one of those things that more and more people are doing to their cars, and we wanted to show you guys on our channel how it is and give you the different views and perspective and opinion. All right guys, thanks for watching. We appreciate you. Take care, stay tuned, and we will see you soon.